Hey guys, I'm back. Today I'm be showing you guys how I prep my skin before I do my makeup. I realize when I make my makeup videos, I don't really show you guys how I prep my skin, so I thought I'd show you guys how I do that today. And yeah, and this routine helps the makeup last for hours. Like yesterday it was 12 a.m. and my makeup was still looking pretty decent, and yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve that. Okay, first I just like to squirt some water in my face. Okay, next I'm gonna add some sunscreen. I talked about this sunscreen in my skincare products video that I made not that long ago, so you can also check that video out. And yeah, I'm just gonna Okay, next I also add some of this serum. This was also in my skincare products video. Okay, next I'm gonna add some of this rice toner. This is almost done. I need to buy some more of this. Okay, we're almost done. Next I use the e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer. This primer is really good for sensitive skin. I've been using it for a while and it hasn't really broke me out yet, so I feel like if you have sensitive skin, you should, try this primer. Okay, and lastly, I like to spray some setting spray on my face before I do my makeup. I don't know why, I just like to. Yep, and let's see how the makeup turns out. Okay, here's my makeup. I didn't want to do too much today. Pretty simple and flawless. Anyways, thanks for watching this video and keep up for more.